And they're saying
threw my hands up. It hurt that bad.
Really?
Yeah, it really got me good. I didn't want to continue after that.
Okay. How does it feel now?
I didn't want to play anymore, period.
Really?
Yeah.
careful, careful, line right hand window. Roger. It might be insertion.
From PRP1, right hand window.
Check it out.
Okay.
The system itself is excellent. It's easy to target, it's easy to shoot, it's easy to correct slopes on.
But because you cleared the street, every time we had someone we tried to introduce, they got stopped. So we weren't able to, so it worked, but we weren't able to introduce anybody into it.
Okay.
There was no crowd that formed.
Right. Okay, even though you were trying to form a crowd.
We were trying to form one. I think we had a crowd of 2 for 1 second.
Okay.
Alright. Oh! They both dropped my rock.
That is one.
Oh.